Hi, I'm Engineer Eritrea Abraham. Welcome to the YAIN Temperature Hub, your channel for amazing science experiments, epic DIY inventions, and spectacular hands-on crafts that you can do right at home. In today's challenge, we shall be learning about weather science. We shall explore the concept of wind and discover how to find the direction of wind.
The fact that you can't see something doesn't mean it isn't there. Although wind may be invisible, yet it exists. If you've ever felt a breeze on your face or seen a tree's branches rustling, then you have an evidence that wind exists. Wind does much more than just blow things around. Wind creates waves and tornadoes, shapes rocks, and can even be used to produce electricity.
You might be able to feel wind when it's blowing, but can you tell what direction it's coming from? No! Wind direction is the direction from which the wind is blowing. For example, it could be coming from the north, the south, the east, the west, the northeast, the northwest, and so on. If you're great with direction, you might be able to measure this yourself with a compass, like facing the wind and then using the compass to tell what direction you're facing.
A wind vane has an arrow that points to the four cardinal points, like this: north, east, south, and west. Can you see this? When the wind moves, it causes the arrow to point towards the direction in which the wind is blowing. Wow, can you see this? Wow. So, the wind vane moves in the direction of the wind, as you can see. Wow. Now join us as we explore how to make a wind vane.
We have a straws, we have a pin, a thumbtack, we have cups, then we have a scissors, we have a pen, you can have a carton or a straw bird, okay? Yeah, we have a ruler, and then you have your gum. You can use either the uhu gum or the glue gum, but in our case we're using the glue gum because it's quite faster and more and easier to use. Okay, now that's how we want to make our wind vane right now, and let's go. The first step is this. We just want to cut out a circular piece from our cardboard paper or from our carton. Yeah, we're doing that right now. We're going to cut out a circular piece, and you want to just use a compass to get out that piece. And I already have a cut out circle, which I did with my compass, and I'm trying to draw out that one right now with my circular piece already. But just get out that circle like that. Just one is okay and good to go. Can you see that? Okay. Alright, they just cut out our piece right now. Can you see that? Okay, right now you see right now just got out my circular points, and I need two of them. As you can see, I have my two already. Okay, and the next thing, you want to use a marker to write out your cardinal points: the east, the west, the north, and the south. You can use a pen or a marker. It's still the same thing. It's okay. It's fine. All right. So let's just go ahead and get that done right now. The east, the west, the north, and the south. And note that the other circle is actually for the base of your wind vane. Okay. The other circle is for the base of the wind vane, while the first one is meant to actually act as a support for your cardinal for your wind vane pipes. Right? Yeah, you have the east, the west, the north, and the south. You can write it very neatly and carefully in yours, just like I've done mine. Okay, and you want to pick up your cup and make a small hole in the center. Okay. You get your cup, and with a pin, you make a small hole in the center, and the hole should be small enough to hold the pencil firmly in place. Remember, you want to put a pencil through the hole of the cup, so you're trying to get a pierce through with a pin first, and then you're going to use something bigger to expand the hole. But the point is, your hole must be small enough to hold a pencil in place. Now, I want to use my scissors to expand my hole right now. I'm going to do that carefully so it doesn't get bigger or it doesn't get caught or something. So you just do it gradually and carefully as you expand the hole with the scissors. Okay, you can see that. Oh yeah. Like I said, it should be small enough to hold your pencil in place. To hold your pencil in place. And next you want to stick your pencil in the hole you made on the cup. So I just want to be sure the pencil can go through. As you can see, my pencil is so tight it can't go through yet. So I want to use my scissors to try to expand the hole to become bigger, so my pencil can just fit in and go through. Okay, you can do the same thing with yours too. Okay. Oh, let's try the pencil again. Okay, it goes through this time. Woo! And you can see it's actually very firm. And there's no space in between. As you can see, it's not flowing through. It's just firm and fits in tightly. And that's exactly what you're trying to achieve, okay? As you can see, I already have my pencil inserted into the cup. As you can see, I have the eraser part on top and not at the bottom, alright? And then just a little part of the pencil is piercing through the cup. Can you see that? Okay, and then next you want to try to gum the sides of the pencil so you can actually have it firm. Okay, like that. You can use your uhu gum, but for me, like I said, I'm using my glue gun, okay, because it sticks faster and it's much more efficient than the uhu gum. But you can have that if that's what you have in the house. You can go ahead and use that, okay. All right, guys. Right now, you want to cut a smaller circle. You can use you can cut from a carton or from the bottom of this cup like we just did right now. But anything you want to cut, about a small circle like as you can see right now, is just cool and good to go. We just cut out from the bottom of another disposable cup. You can do the same thing. You can cut from a carton. It's still the same thing. But let's get out a small circle from any object like this. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got to my hole right now. It was cut from my cup, the back of my cup. Like I said, you can either use a carton or a cup, okay? Okay guys, I want to just get my holes in there right now. As you can see, I already have a small one right there. I'm going to expand the hole to be the size of the pencil, okay? Because it's going to go into the pencil, as you can see. So I'm trying to expand my hole right now with my scissors. Oh, cool, right? And ensure to do this very carefully to avoid any form of injuries or any form of accidents, okay? Thank you. Alright, I think we want to try if the pencil can go through that hole right now. Let's try right now, guys. Okay, is it going through? Okay, it is going. It's not going through, okay? We want to just get the hole bigger with scissors again. We'll do the same thing, just try and get it expanded so the pencil can go through that hole, alright? And that's our plan. Okay, let's try it again a second time. Is it going through? Cool, right? It's going through. Yeah. So you want to now this time try and use a glue gun to gum the bottom of the base. So yeah, and as you can see, it's just 1/3 the height of the pencil, so it's not so close to the tip. And it's not really necessarily half, just about 1/3. And then you want to use the gum to make it stable and firm on the pencil, and put the gum under the base. It's under the circle, not on top, as you can see me do right now. Okay, yeah, we're getting there right now. You can, like I said, you can use your uhu gum in this case, but I'm using my glue gum. Okay, you just wait for a while for it to get sticky and solid and firm before you go to the next phase. Okay guys, right now you want to get a straw, okay? And then if it's too long, you can cut it to the size of the diameter of the circle, okay? As long as about, not necessarily but just about close to the diameter of the circle, okay? And then you cut a slit, alright, at the tip of the straw. Now the slit will act as the base, or act as the harbor for your arrow, which is needed for a wind vane, alright? We're cutting our slit right now, as you can see me do with my scissors. I'm carefully doing that right now. Okay, we have a slit on the two ends of the straw, and next you wanna cut a small triangle from your straw bird or your carton, okay? Now the triangle will act as your arrow, okay? Yeah, let's go about that right now. you want to do that right now, you can draw an arrow of any shape or triangle of any size or dimension. Okay, to do your triangle, which is acts as an arrow, you draw a rectangle first of all on your straw board or your carton, like you can see me do right now. And then, okay, you can see I'm drawing two rectangles, okay. And next, you just draw a line across the two lines you just drew just now, as you can see me do. Okay, we're making progress. Okay, and next you wanna draw a line along the diagonals of the rectangle. Okay, a line along the diagonals of the rectangle like this, from one corner to the other corner. Okay, we're gonna go, right? And next you want to just draw another line at the other diagonal of the rectangle, crossing the previous diagonal like this. Yeah, can you see that? Like an X. Oh, we're good to go. And you can see we already have the shape of our arrow on ground. Now, once we cut it out right now, we have two arrows. I just want to use one. Okay, so what we're going to do right now. Alright, you can see right now I already have my shape, but I'm going to just use one triangle from this very shape right now. I'll just mark it right now for you to see. I'll be using just one of it right now, okay? Yeah, good to go, right? I'm going to cut off one triangle right now. Just watch me. Just watch me, okay? Okay. Yeah, very good. And then the next part of it is there. Can you see that? Okay, very good. And then the last part of the triangle. Wow, and our arrow is good to go. Can you see that? Yo, can you see that? Yeah, and that's our arrow. And you want to just fix that arrow in the slit of the straw that you cut earlier. Okay, just like this. Wow, our wind vane is almost ready. Okay, yeah, that's it. And right now you want to put some gum, or you can just leave it like that, gum to just make it firmer. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Like I said, you can use your uhu gum for this, but I want to use my glue gun. You can go get your glue gun too. Okay, and we just get that across the front and the back of the arrow, and then we got the parts ready. Wow, our wind vane is almost ready. And let's put back our circular carton, and right now we want to just fix our straw, like our wind direction, okay, our wind direction or director, okay, onto the eraser of the pencil using our thumbtack. As you can see, I'm just trying to pierce through the straw and then pierce through the eraser of the pencil. Can you see that? Okay, and ensure that the straw is free to rotate around like that. Okay, now we're set right now. I want to see it working right now, but before then, let's just try and add our base to our wind vane. Okay, using the other circle you've already cut earlier on, and then of course with your gum. Okay, you're gonna just put that at the corners of the card. Okay, we're ready right now, and then we're just gonna place it on the base. Wow, and I think our wind vane. Alright, I think our wind vane is already good to go. Can you see that? So we have the base, we have the top base that has a cardinal points, we have the stick, the arrow itself, and then we want to see it working right now. As we turn, you can see the arrow moving across each of the cardinal points. It's on the south right now. Yeah, it's going towards the west right now. Can you see that? It is going towards the east right now. Wow, and that's how we get the direction of wind, okay? Using the wind vane. Wow, this is purely weather science, guys. I want you to see your videos of your activities, of your complete projects of the wind vane, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to join us on our Facebook channels too, and of course to and like us on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you so much for being part of this activity today. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.